Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a dedicated video for the brand Floerns. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not quite sure. You can correct me if I am mispronouncing that word. I have been working with this brand Floerns for years at this point. I think the first time I started working with them was when we lived in Alabama, which was several years ago. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I do a monthly PR video at the end of every single month. And they are one of the main contributors and supporters of the channel by sending me some of their fashion pieces. And normally it's like one or two things like a month, but this time they allowed me to get 6 different items. And so I thought instead of just doing Amazon content, I can take all 6 of those items and put it into one YouTube video and share like a little mini haul with you guys. And so I thought that you would like it. I have some really cute, fun pieces. There are several different pieces. Some have already come in and I've kind of already had to do like my Amazon part of it. But then I have some other pieces that come in just the other day and I haven't even opened them up yet. So without further rambling, let me show you everything that come in this haul. First up is this really cute oversized knitted or crocheted sweater. It is so freaking adorable. It has flare sleeves. These colors are so like saturated and beautiful. I would definitely put like a tank top underneath this, and just because the holes are kind of large and you'd be able to see through them. I paired this with a pair of shorts and was able to wear it around the house, and it was so freaking cute. I can see this being perfect for the transition time frame going from winter into spring and then into summer. I think this is going to be so adorable. Next up is a Sequins top. It is so freaking cute. This is a crop top. It has a zipper in the back and it goes all the way from the top to the bottom. And I didn't realize that this was actually supposed to go in the back. I thought that this was the front, and then I had styled it and zipped it to like right here so a little bit of cleavage was showing. It was so freaking cute. And then whenever I went to post the video on my Amazon, I realized that I had it on backwards the whole time. So I will have to correct that, but this is the correct way to wear it. But I guess, hey, there's no tag in it. To be fair, you could probably wear it either way. And then the next top is this faux leather tank top. It's like an asymmetrical with ruching on the right hip. And then we have ruching up here on the left shoulder. This is really cute and like fitted to the body. With it being asymmetrical, it does come down to a point at the left hip, which is really cute. And I also got that to go with the next piece, which is this mini skirt. How adorable. And when I say mini, I mean like real mini. This is a medium. I probably should have went up to a large because I tried it on and I can't walk without my honey hanging out. It has this really cute belt closure that is attached to it. It just looks so like edgy and rock and roll, and I love it. And it does have a zipper on the side. There is quite a bit of stretch, but I still probably should have gone up to a size large. Again, this is a medium. I think all these pieces are mediums. But when it's paired with this, it is so cute. It's like, it's the same material and it looks like it's one solid dress. So it just looks really fun, especially when you layer it up with like your jewelry and stuff. So fun. Next up is a piece that I haven't opened yet, and I haven't tried this one on. Okay, so I used to have a skirt like this. Yes, okay, so this is a sequin skirt. Lots and lots of stretch. I got this to go with this basically, but it's really cute. Again, it looks like it's gonna be extremely short. Lots and lots of stretch. Oh my gosh. This is the skirt. Freaking adorable. This would have been perfect for New Year's. Love that. And then the last piece of the haul is this really cute spaghetti strap plaid dress. Now this is the style that you could obviously wear by itself, or you could put like a white t-shirt or probably black. I think a black would look really cute underneath. But again, like the other pieces, it's very stretchy. It also comes in multiple colors. Now, having shared all the pieces and details with you, let me go try them on and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so here is the first outfit. This is the faux leather top and skirt. I told you the skirt is really short, like super duper short. Like I cannot turn around because you would see the honey. Definitely go up a size. I'm normally a medium person. Like I'm a medium person. I normally wear a size medium, but I definitely need to go up a size. I was able to get the top portion zipped because There's so much like stretch in it, but just keep that in mind. It's so super cute. Just go up a size. The skirt, again, go up one size, but it's so darn cute. And this paired together, like this needs to be a dress. It could stand to be a little longer. This is such an adorable outfit, like from the front. Like, how freaking cute is this? But yeah, turn it around to the back side. Okay, so here is the second outfit. I need you guys to understand, I did not realize that this was going to be such a crop and this was going to be such a mini. And I'm sorry about that, but regardless, here we go. So the top is a medium. It fits really good. I did zip it up in the back, so this is perfectly fine. The skirt is a medium. It has plenty of space here. So this part is not the problem. The problem is it is so short, kind of like the dress, or this, kind of like the previous skirt. It's just a little too short for me. This is probably made for someone who is a beanpole and just really, really skinny, and that could probably pull this off. And probably for someone who doesn't have curves. I do have curves. Again, I did not realize that it was going to be such a like short situation. The skirt is a smidge longer than the little black one, but yeah, this seems like it's like a New Year's Eve party girl outfit, and it's definitely made for somebody who is extremely skinny. And yeah, if you do decide to go for it, go a size up. Okay, this is the little cute dress. How adorable is this? So I did go ahead and put a black t-shirt underneath it just because my white one I think is in the dirty clothes. I can't find it, but like I said earlier, I think that a black one would go nicer in here underneath it anyway. So here we go. I did pair it with a pair of tennis shoes for a super casual look. Again, this is a little snug on me. I probably should have went up to a large on all of the pieces of clothing so far, but other than that, it's still really, really freaking cute. And this is the last piece. This is a size medium as well. So like I said, pay attention. The sizes are kind of wonky, but regardless, they're still really cute. So the other pieces definitely go up a size. On this, you could probably go down a size because again, this is a medium just like the rest of the haul. This is the crocheted sweater. Again, it comes in other color combinations. I just threw it on with a pair of shorts. I could actually see wearing this in the springtime, or you could even like take it to the beach if you wanted on like a chilly morning and just like throw it over your swimsuit. I think that that would be really cute. I will probably take it with me for sure whenever I go on beach vacation, probably around spring break time, just being completely honest, because it is so like comfortable and cute, and it absolutely is giving beach vibes. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much, Floerns, for sending over these pieces. I love working with you guys. And if anybody has any more questions, be sure to put them in the comments and I will be sure to relay them to my people that I speak with over there. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Make sure to remember just about everything comes in multiple colors and is relatively inexpensive. So yeah, with all of that being said, I hope that you guys have a wonderful afternoon, evening, or morning wherever you are. And I will see you later. Bye.